In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Nashville. If you've received a traffic ticket in Nashville and want to take care of it quickly, the city makes it straightforward through the Traffic Violations Bureau, part of the Circuit Court Clerk. You'll start by going to the official online payment portal at paytraffic.nashville.gov. I recommend typing that address directly into your browser to avoid third-party sites, and make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar before entering any information. Once the site loads, you'll be prompted to search for your case. Have your ticket handy. You'll need two pieces of information: your citation, sometimes called your ticket number, and the date the ticket was issued. Enter both exactly as they appear on your ticket. Small typos can prevent your case from appearing, so double check the number and the date format before you click search. If the page doesn't load results right away, give it a moment or refresh and try again. When your case appears, take a minute to review the details. You should see the violation type, the total amount due, including any applicable fees, and the compliance or due date. Nashville typically allows about 40 days from the date the ticket was issued to make payment, but your case page is the best source of truth. Confirm that everything matches your ticket and that you're paying the correct case before moving forward. Next, select your case and choose the option to pay now or submit payment. You can usually pay with a debit or credit card, and many portals also offer an e-check option. Be prepared for a small online processing fee, commonly around 2.25%, which is added by the payment processor. Enter your payment details carefully and make sure the billing address matches your card to avoid a decline. If you're on a public Wi-Fi network, consider switching to a secure connection before entering payment information. After you submit your payment, wait for the confirmation screen to fully load. This page is your proof that the payment went through. Download or screenshot the receipt and save it somewhere you can easily find it later. Keeping that confirmation is important in case there's ever a question about your balance or compliance. If your case doesn't appear or you receive an error, double check your ticket number and date format and try again. Clearing your browser cache or switching to another browser can also help. And if you still can't locate your case, contact the Traffic Violations Bureau for guidance before your due date.